How to create an eye-catching profile description. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your Freelancer account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Edit button to update your profile details. Scroll down to the About You section. This is where you will write about yourself, your experience, and what makes you the right freelancer for the job. Start by writing a strong opening sentence that grabs attention. Mention who you are and what you do. For example, I am a professional graphic designer with over 5 years of experience creating stunning visuals that brings brands to life. Then highlight your skills, experience, and specialization. Be specific about what services you offer and what tools or software you are skilled in. For example, if you are a writer, mention content writing, SEO blogs, and copywriting. If you are a developer, list languages like Python, JavaScript, or WordPress expertise. Use clear and professional language, avoid jargon, and keep sentences short and easy to read. Add keywords related to your needs so your profile appears in client sources. Next, talk about your work style and achievements. Share examples like, I have worked with over 50 international clients and helped businesses grow their online presence through engaging content and design. End your description with a strong call to action such as, let's work together to make your next project a success. This helps you sound approachable and confident. Once done, review your description for spelling or grammar mistakes and click Save to update your profile. Now you have successfully created an eye-catching profile description on People Per Hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.